Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 137 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم fa for fa you give hums whenever you see fa in any state you will give hums, and hums is a flow of breath. The sound should be Fa'in. Hamza is a sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound attached with noon, and noon will get the wasat here because this is ibhar. The rule is ibhar. The sifa is tawassut. Fa'in. Fa'in. Sorry. Fa'in. Hamza is a sharp sound. Profata, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Ma is short. Nu 2 counts long because this combination matches this naturally long combinations. Nu, bi for kasra, give e sound. Meet, keep this e sound there even though you are attaching with the coming up letter. Meet, bi, meet, li for kasra, give e sound. Bi, meet, li. Ma 4 counts long because there is Hamza, and Hamza is followed by the 2 counts long vowel. So this Hamza will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 now. So this is called Mad Munfasil Jaiz. Ma. Hamza is a sharp sound for you are making it 2 counts long. This because this is belongs to the naturally long vowel. Mang, the noon is you are hiding the sound of noon, and you are going towards the makhraj of ta, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. This is the mechanism of your ikhfa. Mantum. You this is when ba is followed by meme, you have to keep it in your nose. This is idgham. This is ikhfa shafawi. Yes. This is ikhfa shafawi. Ikhfa shafawi. Abbreviation of ikhfa shafawi. I haven't decided yet. So, amantum bi. B is so you are keeping sound in your nose definitely, and for kasra give e sound, and he is 2 counts long. Bihi. Fa, give hums on fa. Whenever you find fa in any state, you are giving hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there. Fa, qa, qaf is heavy, so you'll give capital H. Qa, qa. How you say any heavy letter? You lift your tongue up to your root of your tongue will be lifted up towards your palate, and that will make your any letter heavy, and you will not circle your lips. Qa, di. For kasra, give e sound, even though you are attaching it with the coming up letter. The e sound shouldn't be dropped. Di. And ha will get rakhawa because ha is among the rakhawa letter, and rakhawa is flow of sound. So this the sound of ha shouldn't stop. Di. Ta is short. Do, dau. Dau is lean, so you're making it 2 counts long, but you're saying it very softly. You are giving enough time on fatha and attaching with waw. Dau. Wa is short. In, this is ikhfa. You are hiding sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of ta. You are keeping the sound in your nose, and this is all about ikhfa. Wa in ta. that is short. Wallow. Waw is attached with lam, and there is again lean. You're making it 2 counts long and saying it very softly. Tawallow. Fa, fa. We'll get sifa of hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there. F, in, hamza is a sharp sound. Protestra give e sound attached with noon, and noon will get sifa of gunna. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. F, in, one fatha is short. Na, ma is 2 counts long. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach it with meme. Meme will get sifa of the words. Hum, fi, 2 counts long, and give hums on fa, and make it 2 counts long because it is a long, naturally long vowel. She is she with kasra give e sound. Of is a heavy letter. And here you are making it 4 counts long because temporary sukoon will change 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long, and at the end when off will get sukoon, you will apply sifa of qalqala. Shiqaq, fa hams, sa short, yak give hums on kaf, and hums is a flow of breath. Fa, sa, yak, fi, give hums on fa, make it 2 counts long. Ka short. Hu, circle your lips for dhamma. Mullah, for dhamma, circle your lips, and attach with lam. Lafz jalala will be heavy because immediate before lafz jalala you found dhamma, and fatha makes lafz jalala heavy. Mullah. Why are you making it 4 counts long? Because ha will get temporary sukoon, and you found 2 counts long vowel before it, and this temporary sukoon will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. So this is called mad adat lis sukoon. فَسَيَكْفِيكَهُمُ for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Hu, for dhamma, circle your lips very well. Was, circle your lips for wow. And don't forget, because when you tend to join with the letter coming up, you tend to forget that you have to circle your lips for wow. So make sure you circle your lips for wow, and then attach with seen. Was, and sin will get rakhawa. It has to be with the whistling sound. Was, for fatha. Fatha is very short. Me, 2 counts long, and don't drop kasra sound. Me. Ul, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ul, ayn from your throat. Ayn should be from your throat very clearly. And fatha is short. Open your jaws for fatha. Li, and me will get sifa of the wasat because you're giving it sukoon because of work, and there is a temporary sukoon, and before temporary sukoon you found 2 counts long vowel. This temporary sukoon will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long, and this is the mechanism of mad adat lis sukoon. So I'll recite it for you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فإن آمنوا بمثل ما آمنتم به فقد اهتدوا وإن تولوا فإنما هم في شقاق فسيكفيكهم الله وهو السميع العليم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.